Can I do 2 Seattle Sours, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. I'll just do these right here, please.
Anything else for you?
You saw the French toast?
Yeah, and then the smash burger.
Yeah.
There's another one. Something, I think the chicken or something. I love the way you. I don't know how the hell you did. Like.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi to the friends. This is Auntie. She cooks everything good.
Okay. Who am I talking? Who are we?
You're talking to the YouTube.
Oh, okay.
I can't say no to longanise on a stick. Oh my gosh.
Here you go. Goodbye, my dear. I'll see you later.
So did you know that the grapes have yeast on them? All that white film that you see is yeast.
whatever you want. That's for you.
Okay, cool.
I usually just do like sesame oil.
Oh, got it. So this is
vinegar.
what you're gonna dip your main into, and then what's all this for? It's just side
Snacks.
dishes. Okay, cool. Little
just-
garlic. You did a little
Yeah, I
garlic.
do
Got it.
raw garlic,
Okay,
cilantro,
so why don't
scallion.
you guide me and you can vlog me doing it.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
So I do raw garlic.
Okay, a little garlic, like a little
I
bit.
do
yeah.
the silly and
Cilantro?
Yeah, and the scallion.
Okay, definitely. I love green onions. That'll be good.
And then I'll do sesame oil, not chili oil, but sesame oil.
Okay, sesame oil because
it's already spicy.
Exactly. So this is probably enough, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I do the homemade soy sauce.
Okay.
And vinegar. I'll usually do like 2 scoops of soy sauce
Okay.
and then like 1 scoop of vinegar. That's
Got
like
it.
my
I'm
ratio.
gonna do 1 and 1.
1 and 1, yeah. I also do celery too.
Oh, celery.
Yeah.
I would not thought. Why celery?
It just has a good flavor.
Oh, that's interesting. The only thing I'm excited. I haven't done this in a long time.
Dude, Benji's
Wow.
Please pick it up from tier 2. It's
so good.
okay.
Goodbye.
Are you going to continue delivering?
Wow. Very spicy. My lips are